Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to voice record your YouTube videos. Recording voice for YouTube videos is important for clear communication and professional quality content using OBS Studio. Allows you to capture high quality audio easily on your PC. This guide will show you how to record voice for YouTube videos using OBS on your Windows. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and connect your microphone. Open OBS Studio on your computer. In the Scenes panel, click the plus icon to create a new scene. Name your scene and click OK. In the Sources panel, click the plus icon. Select Audio Input Capture. Name a new source and click OK. Choose your microphone from the device list. Check the audio mixer to confirm your mic is detecting sound. Click Settings, Output, and choose your recording folder under the recording path. Adjust audio levels so they don't peak into red. Click Start Recording to begin voice recording. Speak clearly into the microphone while recording. Click Stop Recording, then check your saved audio file. Now you can use OBS to record your voice for YouTube instantly and conveniently. Tip: record in a quiet environment and use a pop filter for clearer sound quality. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.